Hello. So I'm playing. Oh, hang on a minute. Right, I'm playing 180. As you can see, it's a Mastertronic game from 1986, and it's probably the best darts game on the spectrum. Sorry, it's microphone. The stand and all that is kind of a bit annoying. Anyway, yeah, so it's probably the best spectrum darts game. Probably. And it's from 1986, so it's very old. Yeah, it's old. Right, redefine keys. So the control system, let me just get this right. The control system, see, you control the hand that throws the dart. So there's no aiming cursor. You just throw a hand. And the hand moves in diagonals. Okay, so your job is to move it in diagonals, but get it in the right location so you can let the dart go and get all the score, all the points you could possibly want. Simple as that, really. I would say keep an eye out for a dog, which is quite fun. But yeah, redefine keys. See, this is up, down, left, right, fire, space. Gotcha. Go. Right. Shall we start the game? I believe we should. All right. So imagine you're Jim Bowen. You're at the pub. You got a pint of stout or whatever. He's with, the other guy, fat guy. Well, no, that's not fair. He was a portly lad because he drank loads of beer all the time. That's fine. Nothing wrong with that. And maybe he didn't drink a lot of beer. Probably had no, whatever. Right, I'm not getting. No. No, sorry about that. No. No, just fine. And he used to call the scores out. He was quite brave because he used to stand there right next to the dartboard, which is fine because on like Bullseye, they probably weren't drunk, but in a pub, if you stood next to the dartboard, calling the scores out when you've got drunk people throwing darts, yeah, you probably don't want to do that. Anyway, whatever. I'm gonna start this game now before I. Whatever. Just start the game. All right, start the game. Here we go. So tune up, game on, play. Let's do a quick tune up. Right. So up, down, up. You see what happens? Up is up left, down is down right, left is down left, right is up right. So it's not really up and down. Diamond shapes. Throw the dart. What? I don't sing. All right. There you go. So you've got to know there. Perfect. You've got to know where the 20 is. Oh, I see. Oh, hang on a minute. So I've got to get 19. 19. I ain't going to do it now. I didn't realise there was a time. 18. 17. 16. 15. 14. Yeah, there you go. Oh, that was alright. Oh, fine. So, let's play the game. Del Boy Desmond. Here we go. Right, so. 60. 60. 60. Go, Desmond. Del boy. Sorry. I'll just do one game because, you know, I am actually quite good at this, but that's because the control system is. Once you get used to the angles, it's actually really simple. But you got to do your maths, so you know how to land. So you know how to get, you know, like the points, the 501 points you need. So there, I can't get 180. Bust. Oh, because I got 140. And you got to finish on a double or the bull. I wasn't thinking straight, was I? I need a double. I need to finish on a. Do you know what? I ain't got a clue. I need. See, this is where the maths comes in, and guess what? My maths is terrible. Right, 60. I need an 18. No, I tell you what. 60, 60. How do I get? Oh, hang on. 21. 3 sevens. I need 3 sevens. Is that right? 21, 3 sevens. Like that. No, that was 2 sevens. No, it doesn't even work because you've got to end on a 2, not a 3. Triple. All the while, he's catching up with me. I got 7, so I need a 1 and 2 3s. All right. Just like that. Now, as you can see, I'm not always rubbish at games. I'm actually good at... I'm good at the easier ones, obviously. Is he going to get trouble? Is he going to get it? Nah. Oh, come on. I haven't... there's the dog. We'll call him... I don't know what we'll call him. Oh! There you go. He just did a... He made a smell on the bar there. But presumably he's the pub's dog, so they're used to it. Right, 81. 81. I can do this. So double 9 is 18. Double 9 is 18. I need a 3. I need a 3. Which makes 78. Which makes 18. So I need a triple 20, then a double 9. Do you reckon I can do it? Double 9. Ooh. Got it. There you go, Devious Dave. There you are. Yeah, so let's see if we can get a bullseye just to end on a high note. It's a bullseye. Nah. One more try. No. He looks like Robin Williams, doesn't he? But with a very, I mean, it's, you know, it's not his fault that his arm's like that. Never judge a person by their looks, is what I say. Judge them, well, I mean, it's very hard to judge them by the character if you don't know who they are. So judge them. There you go. All right, anyway, there you go. That was one. Yeah, 180. Robin Williams there. The woman at the bar firing pints at the man. Yeah, there you are. That's it. All right, thank you very much. Cheers. Bye-bye.